98% to 99% ज्वेलर्स नॉर्मली होलसेलर से लेते हैं। हमारी प्रोडक्ट लाइन में हमारी यूएसपी ही यही है कि हम सारी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग 100% मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अपनी खुद कराते हैं। क्लोथ्स के ऊपर डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, इट्स एक्सेप्टेबल, बट गोल्ड के अंदर डिस्काउंट कैसे मिलेगा यार? गोल्ड प्राइसेस तो रोज के आ रहे हैं। अगर आप सोचते हैं कि आपने गोल्ड प्राइसेस में डिस्काउंट मिल गया, प्लीज, दे आर प्लेइंग विद योर माइंड।
This video is sponsored by cvgenie.in. It is a one-stop shop for creating ATS-friendly AI-enabled professional resumes which are handcrafted by a content writer. Visit cvgenie.in to know more. Hello viewers, welcome to another podcast of the Refubiz show. We have Mayank ji and Deepika ji with us from Vanika Jewels. So thank you for being here today.
Hi, sir. Thank you so much for inviting us.
Hi, Utsav. Thank you so much for inviting us.
So, the viewers should know that they have a jewelry brand by the name of Vanika Jewels, and we would like to know everything about their brand, their journey, their products, their USPs, their target profiling of clients, and so many more things. So, let's get into the conversation. So, hello, thank you, and let's start. Let's know more about your journey first of all. Okay, how did this start, and the initial challenges जो आए?
जर्नी टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट बहुत अब्रप्टली थी। प्रोफेशन कुछ और है, देन अल्टीमेटली सर्कमस्टांसेस इन टर्म्स ऑफ फैमिली आई हैड टू जॉइन इन माय बिजनेस, माय पेरेंट्स बिजनेस। सो उस टाइम पे वी आर 27-year-old बिजनेस ऑफ माय पेरेंट्स, ज्वेलरी बिजनेस में अल्टीमेटली एकदम से ना जो छलांग लगाते हैं वो लगानी पड़ी थी बिकॉज ऑफ माय फैमिली कंडीशंस एंड एवरीथिंग। माय पेरेंट्स नीडेड माय सपोर्ट एंड दैट टाइम आई हैड टू get into it. Mayank was very cooperative and then he helped us into it, and after 8 months we realized in 8 to 9 months ki yaar we have to come into it permanently because he was a little bit getting too much occupied with me only, and luckily in Noida we could establish by that time. So that was it. Initial challenges if you talk about, yes, there are a lot of initial challenges aate hain। aapko samajhna hai, आपको इस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में समझना है, आपको कैलकुलेशंस हैं, आपको अपनी फैक्ट्रीज मैनेज करनी है बिकॉज राइट नाउ फैक्ट्रीज को मैनेज करना, कारीगरों को मैनेज करना, एंड देन इट्स अ वेरी प्राइस सेंसिटिव मार्केट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एंड अ वेरी मार्केट टू बी टेकन केयर। इस टाइम पे छोटी छोटी क्वांटिटी वेट 100 मिली के अंदर भी वेट अंदर ऊपर नीचे
1 gram is even 9,000 rupees, so you can see कि मतलब अगर 1 gram भी इधर से उधर होता है तो कितना नुकसान हो सकता है इस बिजनेस में।
So you have to keep your eyes and ears always around, open, understand. So those were the initial challenges
and,
we had to get over.
My family has been into retail from last 50 years, so I had a vast experience of retail. मैं तो देखा है, it's like in my blood, retailing. So एक यही था, we were into retail only and now into jewelry retail.
Okay. Let's talk a bit about the products कि इस time पे what is the product line like? तो आप बता सकते हैं?
We have all kind of products, like starting from diamond jewelry. We are into lightweight diamond jewelry, and then into gold we have everything: chains, starting tops, necklace sets, everything we have. And our main point is in like jewelry, gold jewelry is we don't measure the weight of the stone and lakh into the gold weight. So we show the ghat. We call it ghat in our terms. We show the customer ghat and then we put the stones on it. So, and
at the most transparency, I'll say that's a motto, and that is absolutely been shown in every kind of product line of ours. So, if you talk about gold jewelry, as Mayank has already said upon, in diamonds also, we are creating some kind of things. 98% to 99% jewelers normally wholesaler से लेते हैं। हमारी प्रोडक्ट लाइन में हमारी यूएसपी ही यही है कि हम सारी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग 100% मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अपनी खुद कराते हैं। So that's amazing thing in terms of if we talk about to any jeweler, तो उनके भी कान खड़े हो जाते हैं कि we do from assortment हम अपने आप करते हैं।
We buy our first loose diamond and then we get it manufactured from maybe either Surat or Karol.
So this is another. इसके बाद में we are into gemstones also. So that is also very good. हमारी इसके ऊपर बहुत अच्छी पकड़ है, price range में भी and qualities में भी. And that too, हम लोग prefer ये करते हैं कि that we always try to get it certified.
Certified, that too from Jhandewalan Lab, that is like graded lab of Government of India.
Yes.
So that makes the difference because there is no MRP for gemstone. Like we have a MRP for gold. Everyone knows gold is around 9,000 rupees per gram. But there is no MRP for gemstone. And there are a lot of treatments which are coming for gemstones. You never know like it is natural or not. So we just get the certification done before giving to the customer.
So I've come to the store and everything. So I've seen about the modification potential also.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So can you tell about क्या possibilities हो सकती हैं एक set के साथ?
Like आपका नॉर्मल लेमैन लैंग्वेज में हम लोग रिवैम्प के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. रिवैम्प इज अ वेरी ब्रॉडली यूज्ड एंड अ न्यू टर्म फॉर ऑल. लोगों को लगता है यार सेम ज्वेलरी हो गई, यही लोग का यहाँ पे कुछ नाम में नॉर्मल बीट्स लगा देंगे या सब कुछ कर देंगे, ऐसा नहीं होता. रिवैम्प लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपने मूवी टार्जन देखी है,
बिल्कुल.
टार्जन में डीसी ने क्या किया था?
एक Honda Civic को बना दिया था सुपर कार.
Oh my God, that was what we do with our jewelry. So when you get me the old jewelry of ours, वो कोई आपका घर का बंदा या इवन आपका हस्बैंड नहीं बता पाएगा कि सेम ज्वेलरी उनको शादी में चढ़ी थी क्या. So that is our speciality now.
We change the complete look and feel of the jewelry. वो आप पहचान ही नहीं पाओगे कि वो old jewelry है.
And that too with transparency. Can you believe that?
So मैंने देखा है मतलब कि सेट पुराने हैं और
लॉकर रूम में
वो
पड़े होते
लॉकर्स
हैं.
में पड़े रहते हैं. They are unusable.
unusable.
और because of the just design की design obsolete हो गया, design outdated हो गया because women need newer designs, modern designs. So we just change the complete look of the jewelry with minimum involvement of gold and with minimum price.
Nice. So my next question would have been about the USPs only anyway, but we have gotten to know a bit about the USPs. So one thing about the USPs that I feel for you is the range.
Yes.
Because it is everything from lightweight jewelry to we're talking about 9 lakha hearts and everything. So the range in itself, plus your manufacturers, plus you are able to convert like old jewelry into new, and there's just way too many things going on over here.
Yeah, that is just possible because we have a complete hold on our manufacturing. Otherwise, these things are not possible. So no one, like I would not say no one can do it, but most of the like jewelers can't do this revamp of the jewelry. We can do it because we have complete hold on the manufacturing.
Manufacturing also, and then a vision as well, and secondly what our parents had, because see we are dealing from store, that is we don't publicize and we don't even entertain who was absolutely not known to us directly. So to cater to that kind of environment, we have to be very careful about it ki we get something very unique to other person which is not available in the market. Otherwise, why will a person come to you? Why will a person, if a person is available, a substitute is available in the market at almost equivalent price or maybe slightly higher price also, then they will not come to you.
And
You have to create a monopoly for yourself. That is why we have a range which is starting from a very lower range, which attracts a customer, and to a range enough to sustain and to make it look twice or thrice in a just amount which is unimaginable.
And moreover, they're like specialized karigar for all the jewelry work. Like Kundan and stone ka ek specialized hoga, Polki ka specialized karigar hoga. Like, and for a diamond jewelry, we have specialized karigars in Surat. So like doctor hota hai na, you know the like right doctor you have to go to or approach to. So उसी का ही है कि आपको एक कारीगर हमें पता है कि किसके पास वो उसको रिवैम्प कर सकता है या बना सकता है. Yeah.
So I would like to ask you कि आपकी टारगेट प्रोफाइलिंग ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर क्लाइंट कैसी होती है? मतलब कौन आते हैं आपके पास सबसे ज्यादा, किनको आना अच्छा लगता है और देखना अच्छा लगता है? Who's your client like usually?
I'll say that client like I suppose in jewelry field, our basic target audience, if we'll talk about, is from actually ranging from the age of around 17, 18 to around 35, 45.
We have a lot of modern
Yes.
design. Like we focus on modern designing. So
Yeah.
our target customer is also like that only, who are looking for modern designing. So you can say from 18 years of age group to anywhere between 50 years.
So Gen Z, you can say that, can also be our target clients. Our target clients, the millennials, are also our target clients. You can say that our generations who were above that were all also target clients, because आज के टाइम पे जो above generation, वो अपने आप को above generation नहीं कहना चाहते हैं, वो actually में feel करते हैं we are younger than us. So they want to feel young. So we have
So starting from like
वाले
bridal jewelry to like minimalistic jewelry, which these days are going on. We have everything,
Yes.
and for every age group.
So no generation is barred, बल्कि अगर आएंगे
they change the point of view.
दिख जाएगा नया आजकल मॉडर्न ट्रेंडिंग क्या है
Yes.
and everything. So well answered. So now let's talk a bit about the myths that are there in the jewelry industry. There are marketing
That
gimmicks
is a good
happening.
point you have raised.
Yes. So let's talk about the cost of the things and everything.
Yes, there are a lot of myths like around like a lot of marketing gimmicks and प्राइस में बहुत मैनिपुलेशन या ओवर प्राइसिंग कर रहे हैं कुछ ज्वेलर्स या प्राइस या मार्केटिंग के वजह से आपको बहुत ज्यादा मैनिपुलेशन कर रहे हैं प्राइसेस में टू सम एक्सटेंट यस दे कैन बी नो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आंसर if I talk about it, you cannot compare two people. If you talk about any company, अगर एक छोटी लेवल की कंपनी है तो उसके अंदर सीईओ की पे होगी और एक अगर बड़ी लेवल की कंपनी है talk about Google and everywhere तो उनकी तो सीईओ की पे अलग होगी. So they have their different kind of works. In jewelry industry also, some people charge excessively high. Some people take it एक bracket में डालते हैं, which is absolutely wrong. अगर आप मानते हैं कि आपको सब चीजों की इंटीग्रिटीज अलग है, in terms of jewelry also, it's a craftsmanship. Craftsmanship के अंदर जो आता है आपका हर एक चीज की इंटीग्रिटी, प्रोसेसेस, जो फाइनेंस है, मशीनरी जो यूटिलाइजेशन होती है, they all are different.
For instance, like chain, one you can take is chain and other is temple jewelry. So both our chain is made through machines and temple jewelry is handcrafted. So how can you like compare the making of both the items? It has to be different.
But people try to put in some jewelers to promote their business and to face the competition, put that into the same criteria, which is absolutely wrong. I feel that you have to have different criteria. Some, in terms of you're talking about your brands, they are actually marketing driven, but discount boosted. Discount से अंदर से they actually get their sales. Because of discounts, अरे they allure people.
These days customers are after only discounts. कि अच्छा discount मिल रहा है, चलो चलो वहाँ चले. But they don't know कि वो inflated है और उस पे ही वो discount मिल रहा है उनको.
So that doesn't work in every way. So if you're actually going discount, अगर gold jewelry पे आपको मिल रहा है, तो I say there's a hashtag you have to think about it. Gold क्लोथ्स के ऊपर डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, इट्स एक्सेप्टेबल, बट गोल्ड के अंदर डिस्काउंट कैसे मिलेगा यार? गोल्ड प्राइजेस तो रोज के आ रहे हैं. आप गोल्ड प्राइजेस के ऊपर नहीं डिस्काउंट ले सकते हो. यू डोंट हैव माइंड्स एट योर ओन प्लेस. If you sell the gold, you have to purchase at the same time also. Only then you will be able to manage your own cost, inventory cost, raw material कैसे करोगे? अपना सब स्टॉक बेच के तो ना बैठ जाओगे. So ये चीज जो है कि नॉर्मली अगर आप सोचते हैं कि आपने गोल्ड प्राइजेस में डिस्काउंट मिल गया, please, they are playing with your mind.
Nothing is obsolete in gold, ना? Like आपके garments में तो कि season change हो गया, चलो ये stock पुराना हो गया.
Yes.
It never happens in gold.
Diamonds are forever, and in fact, gold is actually a metal which doesn't degrade, और वो हमेशा की तरह वैसा ही रहता है until unless mercury से contact में आ जाए. But of course, jokes apart, they are forever. So they have their own values. वो आपके कपड़ों की तरह रफ या खराब नहीं हो जाएंगे. So jewelry is not obsolete.
देखा था 13 times बढ़ी है gold की value in the last like about 15-20 years.
In last year only it has accelerated 45%.
Yes. So it's a very good investment. A lot of people think that jewelry is only a fashion. A lot of people think that only mutation. Yes, mutation jewelry is absolutely in. A lot of people go for it. But I believe that every household, we have been the golden bird of India. Why? Because we have that much gold reserves with us, जो हमारे पास households में इतना gold lockers में भी है, that actually saves us.
बिल्कुल रिसेशन वगैरह भी
यही चीज हेल्प करेगा आगे के हमारे टाइम ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस ऑल्सो. यू कैन वेरी वेल नो अबाउट लॉट ऑफ पीपल वॉलंटरी गेव देयर गोल्ड टू गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू गेट दैट आउट ऑफ इट. तो रिसेशन में तो अपनी गवर्नमेंट चलाने के लिए पैसा नहीं था यार, तो वो कहाँ से आया? तभी तो हम सोने की चिड़िया कहलाते हैं. एंड दैट गोल्ड एक्चुअली इज अ रिजर्व. आपका हार्ड कैश है एनी डे. मैं किसी भी और अदर लग्जरी और एसेट के अगेंस्ट नहीं हूँ, बट इवन इफ यू वांट टू गेट, आपको मोनेटाइज करना है, आपको किसी भी लग्जरी रियल एस्टेट में या मोबाइल एनी कार ऑल्सो, यू नीड अ सर्टेन टाइम and then you have a depreciation value to it. But with gold and diamonds, they are forever. They can be discounted. आपको monetize आप कभी भी कर सकते हो, हाथों हाथ खड़े खड़े की खड़े.
आपका कैश नहीं बढ़ेगा, रखे रखे गोल्ड बढ़ जाएगा. आप आज रख दो, अगले साल देखना क्या गोल्ड की क्या वैल्यू है.
गोल्ड पहले होता था, गोल्ड इशू होता था यूएसडी से. अब तो पेट्रोल डॉलर का जमाना हो गया है, लेकिन जिस दिन वापस गोल्ड स्टैंडर्ड पे सब चलेगा उस दिन रियलिटी पता चलेगी.
Yes. And luxury, which is again an asset of yours. Normally, luxuries aren't asset of yours. So, luxury, that is an asset which will remain an asset forever. So, always invest a bit of it into gold jewelry as well. Like you invest in other investments, I always prefer that you should invest.
Okay, so let's talk about an advice which you can give to a young entrepreneur who's starting off in your field. कि what are मतलब क्या आप बोलेंगे कि करना चाहिए?
In terms of business, if they are venturing into this industry and they are newbies, which are like totally new ones, so I would say कि you have to be patient. एकदम overnight कुछ change नहीं होता. आप सोचो कि आज आपने कुछ किया एकदम ओवरनाइट हो जाए, सो ऐसा नहीं होता इस इंडस्ट्री में. आपको पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा, देन ओनली रिजल्ट्स विल कम.
Yes, and again I'll say that patience के साथ में आपको creative, again secondly try to get the transparency to the people, because ultimately that will create a brand value and goodwill. This industry is entirely goodwill driven, so you have to have the proper goodwill that is to be created and trust amongst your members, your buyers. Only then you can have customers. So jewelry industry में newbies a lot of coming in, but they have to be patient. ये long run का घोड़ा है. ये छोटे मोटे सोचें कि यार आज आए
हाई टिकट वैल्यू.
Yes.
It is not close कि 1000 2000 5000 का आप कुछ खरीद रहे हो. It's in like lakhs or thousands or whatever. So you have to keep some patience.
मैराथन है, मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि
मैराथन है, लंबी मैराथन है, और लंबे रेस के घोड़े ही चलते हैं यहाँ पे. अगर घोड़ा बीच में सोचे कि हाँ मैं थक गया, मैं छोड़ना चाहता हूँ, मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ, मैं अपना सेकंड बिजनेस भी चालू करना चाहता हूँ, मैं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. You have to have that patience, you have to have that strength, you have to have that dedication, and of course goodwill बनाने के तरीके होने चाहिए.
That is so well said. I'm sure so many businessmen who are watching this will be so inspired by your words
I
and
hope so.
everything.
Hopefully.
So thank you again for being here. And for the viewers who want to reach Deepika ji, there is a number in the link of the bio. They can reach Vanika Jules from there. And thank you again for your time, for
Thank
being
you so
here
much,
on
sir.
our show today. And
Thank
I
you
hope
so
to
much.
see you again soon in the show. Thank you.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Anytime.